What we're going to learn in this course is this. In Chapter 1, we're going to take on social generations. We're going to talk about how they were formed, how social generations are created. We're also going to talk about the impact of social generations. In Chapter 2, we're going to talk about specifically millennials. We're going to discuss their view, things that have happened during their generation that have created those common beliefs. In chapter number 3, we're going to look at real estate through the eyes of the millennials. What is it that they are looking for? What do they want? What is their value system? And how has that created trends within the real estate market? In chapter 4, we're going to reverse it and we're going to look at millennials through the eyes of the real estate agent, trying to understand how to best service the millennial generation. And then in our 5th chapter, we're going to do a wrap-up or summary of what you have learned. Now let me go ahead and say to you, if you have a real estate license but don't actively work in the real estate business, that's great, because this information that I'm going to be providing, although I'm couching it as a listing agent or a buyer's agent, you will be able to take it and apply it to your workplace or perhaps even in your family. So there's plenty of stuff here for you, good information here for you.